quickly extend or render in some images without having to re-render anything. First, go to the Image menu and select Canvas Size. Because we only want to extend one side, we're going to check the relative bots. I prefer using pixels for more control. In this case, let's add 400 pixels to the width. We also need to set the anchor to the right side. That way, Photoshop will add the new space only to the left. Now, let's select that new empty area we just added. With the selection active, click on the Generative Fill button. Leave the prompt field empty and just click Generate. When you leave the prompt blank, Photoshop will automatically try to match the surrounding content and fill the area in the most natural way. After a few seconds, you will see 3 different versions of the fill. Pick the one you like the most. If none of them look quite right, just click Generate again for new results. It is also possible to extend all sides at once by increasing both the width and the height in the canvas settings, but from my experience, I get better results when I do one side at a time. That way, Photoshop has more context and usually gives cleaner, more seamless results. But if your scene is super simple, feel free to try extending all sides at once. It may work just fine. And that's it. In just a couple steps, we extended our render without opening 3ds Max or running a new render. This trick is a huge time saver, especially for last-minute framing tweaks or social media crops. Hope you enjoyed the video. Don't forget to click the like and subscribe button. If you have any questions, let me know in the comment section below. And thank you for watching.